Alright guys, this is a part 4 of rules for aromaticity. In this video I'll be talking about the rule number 4 or condition 4. The molecule must be flat. Okay, rule number 1 was the molecule must be cyclic. Rule number 2 was the molecule must be conjugated. Rule number 3 was molecule must obey the Huckel's rule, and the rule number 4 is molecule must be flat. Okay, have a look at this compound. This is a cyclic compound, all good. This compound is a conjugated system, all good. This compound obeys Huckel's rule, okay, all good. But this compound is not flat, hence it's not aromatic. So this very beautiful example that so many students rely on Huckel's rule, that if it obeys Huckel's rule, that's aromatic. But if you look at this compound, this contains 10 pi electrons and it obeys Huckel's rules. It is cyclic, it is conjugated, but it's not aromatic. Why? Because it's not flat. If you look at this compound, which is a bicyclic compound, it contains 10 pi electrons. It's cyclic and it's conjugated, but it's flat. It's called aromatic. But there's an exception to all of these 4 rules, which is this compound. A strange case of aromaticity. This compound is aromatic even though the inside 2 carbons, these ones, this one and this one, where the hydrogens are pointed out, they are sp3 hybridized carbons. If you remember in my previous parts about aromaticity, I mentioned that every carbon must be sp2 hybridized, or every atom must be sp2 hybridized, but this case does not obey that rule. This compound violates that rule. This is an exception to that rule, and hence it's aromatic even though it does not obey that rule. So this is a strange case of aromaticity, and these were the 4 rules about aromaticity. In more videos about aromaticity, I'll be talking about further examples, or will give you more useful tips to predict which compound is aromatic or not. Thanks, bye.